In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headings in Confluence. Headings are the backbone of a clear, readable page. They break content into logical sections, help readers scan quickly, and improve navigation features like the page outline. Let's walk through exactly how to add them in a clean, consistent way. First, open the Confluence page where you want to work. At the top right corner, click Edit to enter the editor. You'll need editing access to the page. If you don't see the Edit button, check with your Space admin or owner. Once you're in the editor, your changes will appear in draft form until you publish. Next, type the text you want to turn into a heading. This could be the name of a section, a subtopic, or a smaller subsection. Highlight or select that text so Confluence knows exactly what to format. Selecting first ensures the style applies to the right content and avoids accidental changes to nearby paragraphs. Now, choose a heading style from the toolbar. Click the paragraph drop-down near the top of the editor. You'll see options for heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Use heading 1 for a main section title, heading 2 for a subsection under that, and heading 3 for a smaller subsection. A simple rule of thumb is to keep your structure nested and predictable. Heading 1 for major sections, heading 2 for topics within those sections, and heading 3 for finer details. This consistent hierarchy not only looks professional, but also makes your content much easier to scan. By the way, if you're just getting started, there's a link to the Confluence website at the very top of the description. You can head there to sign in or learn more. If you prefer speed, use keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus 1 for heading 1, Ctrl plus Alt plus 2 for heading 2, and Ctrl plus Alt plus 3 for heading 3. On a Mac, press Command plus Option plus 1 for heading 1, Command plus Option plus 2 for heading 2, and Command plus Option plus 3 for heading 3. Shortcuts are great for power users and help maintain consistency without leaving the keyboard. When you're done applying headings, save your changes by clicking Publish at the top right corner. Confluence may autosave drafts, but your team won't see updates until you publish. For best results, use headings consistently across your page. Clear structure improves readability, makes navigation easier, and helps collaborators find what they need quickly. That's it. Simple, effective, and a big boost to your page quality. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the link in the description, and thanks for watching.